The benefits of ginger are endless. It is rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds that aid digestion, support brain function, reduce inflammation, and protect against infection. Ginger has been used for thousands of years in medicine. Fresh ginger is best because it contains a higher level of gingerol, which the health benefits of ginger come from it. Benefits of fresh ginger: improves brain health. Brain disorders are associated with chronic inflammation in the brain, which makes the anti-inflammatory properties of ginger very beneficial for brain function. Eating ginger can provide health benefits for reducing anxiety, depression, dementia, Alzheimer's disease, schizophrenia, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Ginger has been shown to increase serotonin and dopamine levels and reduce inflammation that may cause depression. Reduces inflammation and pain. One of the biggest health benefits of ginger is reducing inflammation, which also helps manage acute or chronic pain. This is especially useful for pain management in conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, and is also helpful for short-term muscle pain after exercise. Benefits of ginger for sex. 1. Treatment of erectile dysfunction. Ginger contains antioxidants that protect cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and protect the tissues responsible for erection from damage. In addition, it improves and treats the problem of premature ejaculation through the ingredients in it, and it is one of the benefits of ginger for premature ejaculation. 2. It improves fertility. A group of studies and research has proven the ability of ginger to treat infertility and enhance fertility by raising testosterone levels, reduces oxidative stress, and increases luteinizing hormone levels responsible for testosterone production. It also improves sperm concentration and viability, which increases fertility and enhances reproductive chances, and you can benefit from it by eating it as an herb or as a food supplement. 3. Treatment of ED. A group of herbs such as ginger and cinnamon treat impotence diseases because they contain antioxidants and infections. And one of the most important benefits of ginger with cinnamon for sex is the treatment of erectile dysfunction and nerve weakness. In addition, you can add honey to ginger to enhance its ability to stimulate testosterone and sperm production, and this is classified among the benefits of ginger and honey for the male organ. 4. Prevent prostate cancer. Prostate cancer is one of the most common diseases that many men face, and that is why you should prevent the risk of infection by taking natural nutritional supplements and herbs. Ginger is one of the first herbs that protects you from the risk of prostate cancer because it works to kill cancer cells and prevent their growth, and even promote the health of the testicles and prostate, and improve the production of testosterone. My friends, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new updates.